Good morning, guys. The car is here and we have some things to do. So let's get going. So, first of all, there is a car show in the city, and I have to get a haircut also because I'm hairy as hell. And I also thought about cleaning the car, it's very dirty. So, we go make a haircut. I have to go to the bank also to withdraw some money and take a haircut. Take a haircut, and then we go to the car show and see what cars there are. I'm gonna be filming everything from the worst to best, so bear with me and let's go. Just found this out. There is a supermarket that works 24/7 and 30 365 days, I meant to say. So that means it works every day, even on holidays. Damn. The things I want to get also is hubcaps, as there is none, and these wheels are kind of old and crazy. Tires, I mean, they're okay for now. I don't have money for new tires, but hubcaps, definitely. We'll see if we get from Temu or Volkswagen originals, I don't know, and later on we can put on some wheels. It is a beautiful day. Look at that scenery right there. I mean, views is crazy. I wanted to wash my car, maybe. I thought about it. As you can see, it's pretty dirty from the inside and from the outside. It's been 6 days since I had the car and I haven't washed it yet. So I'm thinking of washing it a little bit. The scenery is crazy, I must say. I'm amazed. I can't believe I live in a place like this. So I'm thinking about washing the car, and first of all we're gonna go to the bank, then haircut, then the car show, and then wash the car. Let's go. So I just got back from the bank. I had some problem with the card, with the online paying, and the issue is not yet resolved, so I'm kind of stuck here. I hope today it will be resolved. They have to send me a new pin for the card, and I hope today it will be finished. I'll go check my box because I still haven't fully transferred everything to my new apartment. I still am kind of living with my parents. Not really, but oh my god. But oh, the cars are here. Look at that, they're rolling up. These are the cars I'm talking about. Aston Martin, Porsche. All of them old cars. Nice. Look at that. Just views. Oh, views. Give me a moment. There we go. I have to switch the transmission. Look at the cars down there. Oh my lord, it's gonna be a busy day. I can't wait and go to see what more cars are there. Let's go now. So I think I have some bad news. I might have ran a red light. I'm not sure. I might have, I might not. It was yellow for like a second and I ran through hoping I passed. I'm not sure. I hope I'm right. And I actually didn't run through the red light. So now I'm gonna go to get a haircut, and then we're gonna go and film the cars. Let's go. And look at that, the Lamborghini Huracan right there. And I have a Golf, but no problem. One day we're gonna have a Huracan.
Wie weit kommt der?
Ja, det var rispet essere una vera messa sta. Questo è reni.
Dude.
Giovane. Io vi ricordo, però.
This kid is following me. I don't know what to do.
Ja, bak elektrik şu.
And we're back from the car show. Oh, there we go. And don't mind these. And yeah, that will be the end of this video for today. Tomorrow I plan on showing you what I have to fix on the car, what are the problems on it. And yeah, that will be it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.